This video is going to show you exactly how I was able to make 100K in less than 6 months using a product that I never had to create. And if you want to make sure that you're seeing deposits like this and like this and like this in your account, keep watching. All right, y'all. You know your girl is not going to gatekeep. I'm going to make sure whatever I find out that is working, I'm bringing it to my people, right? Because at the end of the day, abundance is what this channel is about. Making money online is what this channel is about. And making sure that I help as many individuals on this earth while I'm on this earth achieve greatness is what I'm about. So if that is what you're looking for, welcome, and just keep watching this video. So I want to give you a little bit of background about what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to go into detail of what digital products is, right? And how you can fast track the system. Like, I'm going to show you how I slow played it, and I'm going to show you how you can fast track it and get to these numbers like I was showing you earlier in the video, okay? So, first off, a few years back, my friend, a good friend of mine, introduced me to the world of digital products. And in that beginning, y'all, I was so oblivious to what digital products were, entrepreneurship was, online learning, none of that. I didn't know none of that, and I wasn't interested because it seemed hard. I didn't like social media. I was scared of social media, and I did not have a lot of money to invest into a business, right? So I was just like, you do it, friend. You let me know. How many of us have done that? Like, yeah, you can go ahead and do that and I'll see what's happening, right? So then my friend went ahead and say, well, okay, girl. So she went ahead and listen. I would say at least 3 to 6 months, y'all, I saw her starting to live her best life. Like, bought her dream car, paid off all her debt, started traveling, leaving my butt at home because I didn't have the money to go on these trips. And I had to just watch on the sideline till finally I said, you know what? No more sideline watching for me. Tapped in with her 6 figures later and continuing. I am now a digital product creator, and it's all because of master resale rights. Yes, I said it. MRR. Okay? Let me tell you what master resale rights is. Just literally what it is, right? Master resale rights means you have the master product, right? And now you have the ability or the rights to resell it, right? You can resell it for the exact price you purchased it for or more, right? Because of the fact that you purchased the product and the license, you now own that digital product and the right to actually resell it and make a profit, right? And the beauty of it, guys, the profitability is endless when it comes to master resale rights because you can continue to resell that product over and over and over again, right? So, like I was telling y'all, in the beginning, before I even started this product, y'all, I didn't have a lot of money to invest, right? I don't know if y'all know my backstory. Elementary school teacher, y'all already know how elementary school teacher checks look. A mess, right? So there was not a money to go around in random businesses, right? But I knew I needed an income. If you know you need an income, you have to keep listening, y'all. Like, the checks, the bills were still there at the end of the month, and I had to figure something out. So I didn't have a lot of money to invest. Social media, like I said, scared me, and I didn't know anything about tech, software, courses, none of that. I didn't know anything about that. But this course taught me all of that. It taught me about branding. It taught me about marketing. It taught me about social media. It taught me about the systems and how to set up my business. It taught me all these things that I did not know that people are using to become millionaires, okay? The e-learning space is $1 billion industry according to Forbes magazine. And when I heard about that, I said, I have to be a part of this. So let me go into the next step I want to tell y'all about, right? Is that, listen, prior to this, I knew that, digital products was going to be a thing. And I ventured into course creation myself. Like, literally, I created a course, right? And I'm just going to lay out to you the steps that it takes to create a course and to show you that it's not an easy task to create a course, right? It's not an easy task to create a course. But master resale rights, I'm going to come and tell you right now, it comes ready-made. you don't have to do all the grunt work when it comes to creating a course, right? You don't have to record videos. You don't have to create curriculum. You don't have to or buy fancy camera systems, upload videos to programs. I had to do all that, y'all. That's not fun, right? But you get to turn around and really truly benefit from the e-learning industry, and you're able to sell a digital product you never had to create, right? It's outstanding. It's like literally unheard of. So in order to create a digital course, right? These are the steps that you would do if you would want to create a digital course. First, you would have to figure out what your niche is, right? What is your niche? Where are you going to be focusing your attention on, right? Are you going to be helping people in their health, wealth, or in their relationships? Those are the biggest niches when it comes to digital products. You'd have to pick one and then, create a course towards that. Let's use the health part. Okay, losing weight, right? That would be a specific course that I would create. I'm going to say I'm creating a course to lose 10 pounds. Cool. Then you would think about the second step would be you would think about your audience. Who are you speaking to? Are you speaking to 20-something-year-old women who want to lose weight for their summer? Or are you talking to 25 to 40-year-old moms who just had their first child or second child and they're trying to get fit? Who's your audience, right? You think about your audience. Third, you would think about the steps that this person would need to take in order to get to their end goal, right? You would have to change your diet. You would have to increase your water intake. You would have to increase your physical activity, and you would have to increase your sleep. Whatever the case, the steps you would take to get to the end goal of losing weight, right? Then finally, you would actually have to put them into systems. Like, what software would you be using? Would you be using Thinkific, Kajabi, Teachable? Those are softwares that you use to upload your videos in after you've shot all of those videos, okay? So those are just 5 quick steps, like so quick, of what it takes to create a course. But let me tell you this, you don't have to do that with Master Resale Rights. You don't have to do any of that, like at all. You would never have to do any of that. Literally, it's a plug and play situation. You purchase the course, you watch the videos that teach you everything that you would need to know to run a successful digital product business, and you can hit the ground running within that same week of watching that video. Like literally, you can have a business up and running and make your first sale within 2 days of purchasing the course, because it's laid out in such great detail, so organized, and so information packed. Like it's literally going to change the way you look at digital products and how to make money, right? We love the word passive. There's nothing more passive than not having to create something, right? Not having to create a product and being able to collect an income from that, right? So that being said, if this video, it can get very long, it can get longer, but what I want to say is that if you're interested in learning more about MRR and digital products, right? Text MRR to this number here, or go directly to my website, earningwithtanisha.com, and you can learn more about what it is. Like literally, you can see reviews, you can go ahead and watch another video, short video about it, and just literally tap into this information, y'all. People are out here literally becoming millionaires, like literally becoming millionaires, and you know that you need another income. Like, you know that. That's why you're on this video, right? You know you need another income. Where else are you going to be able to get something that is done for you, right? Not DIY, done for you. Is that DFY? Yeah, done for you, right? Okay? So listen, if that's you, make sure you, like I said, go to earningwithtanisha.com or text MRR if you have any other questions about this. Or if you have any questions, put them in a comment below, right? If you have any questions about MRR. And make sure you give me a thumbs up and like this video. And if you want more information about it, make sure you let me know in the comments. Okay, guys? So until further ado, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed year. I'll see you next time.